So, hello everyone, welcome to Uni Voyage. This is Rishal Shekhar, and today we have a very special guest with us. Her name is Nandini Bindal, and she's very humble and sweet. And thank you so much for taking out time for us. And please allow me to introduce you to Miss Nandini Bindal.
Okay, so hello, good evening, everyone. This is Nandini, and currently I'm speaking from Meerut. I'm a keen travel enthusiast, first of all, and I love photography a lot. I do a bit of sketching and painting, and yeah, just to utilize my time to the maximum in this lockdown, I did courses on digital marketing and social media marketing.
That's great. So, Nandini, would you like to go forward and tell us which exams did you prepare for and cleared?
Okay, so I prepared for both the IIMs, that is Rohtak and Indore, which are available at the undergrad level, and I prepared for IHM, IITTM, that is for tourism. Then Narsi Monji, Symbiosis, Indraprasth College, DU, uh, basically all the exams, major examinations that provide you an opportunity to learn the management skills as I aspire to go into the corporate world, right?
Okay, that's great. So, Nandini, how did you prepare for NCHMG as you are really passionate about being a manager? So,
Okay.
I'm sure you have given NCHMG. So, how did you approach the questions and how did you prepare for NCHMG?
Uh, First of all, NCHM JE, according to me, I don't know why it sounds an easy examination, right? Uh, I started my preparation from the paper mocks itself. I decided to pick up two mocks just to have an idea of how what is the level of preparation, which I understood that it is low to moderate only. Then there was plenty of time, so I could try on solutions also, even if I don't know an answer. Then it there were implied thinking skills like in service sector and logical reasoning. That is something that you already know, and yeah, that was it. And with basic preparation, I got all India rank 35. So if I can do it, I think you all can do it.
So, when you were
Those
sitting in the examination hall, is there a particular strategy which you employed to answer the questions?
Yeah, actually, while attempting the mocks, I tried to apply a different order each time just to figure out the best strategy to attempt the exam. And what I figured out that the exam was a pretty lengthy one, and there is a tendency that you get bored in between, or your mind is just filled up with all the stuff that you don't feel like attempting the rest of the paper. So what I did was, the best thing according to me was first attempt the quant section. That gives you a good start because quant is very easy there, because you are not entering the hotel industry to do maths and all, right? So after that you can go for English, because that requires more of speaking skills and opens up your brain. Then 25 questions from the surface sector, that will relax you a bit, so that because you are so much filled at that time. Then after the service sector you can then go to GK, and then logical reasoning, and in the end again remaining questions of the service sector. So this was the best. With this I completed my exam in 2 hours, and it was a 3-hour exam, so it's good. Tried and tested, full proof.
Oh, that's fast, and that's like pretty amazing. You got a such a good rank just by finishing the examination in 2 hours. So, as we know that NCHMG focuses a lot on GK and service sector aptitude. So, how do you specifically prepare for developing that kind of aptitude?
Yeah, so GK is a thing which comes itself to you, because NCHM GK is not any GK or current affairs that you do. It is very much related to the travel sector and all. They'll randomly give you a name of an hotel and tell you which company owns it. Those could be national or international. Just saying, what I figured out was mostly they were Oberoi hotels or the Taj hotels. Okay, so if you have to make a blind guess, go for it. And then there are some brands. Then yeah, it was all like that. And GK, current affairs, political scenario of past 2 months in the service sector. You just have to assume that you are the most patient person on this planet. You don't have to indulge in argument with anyone. You have to be like remain calm. That comes to you when you solve the mocks. But what I figured out as a strategy was that you don't have to blame your seniors or juniors for it. In the hotel industry, you have to assume that you are the most hardworking person and doing all this stuff yourself. Talk to angry customers too with full patience, and don't indulge in fights.
That's amazing. So, what would be a message to the students who are currently preparing for NCHM JEE?
Okay, so first message is, first of all, know that you really want to prepare for it or not, because don't assume that it is very relaxing job. You have to put your heart and soul for it. It's very hardworking. Like we, while I was attending the orientations and all and the classes at IHM Pusa, I figured out that even in the on the online platform there was a lot of stuff that had to be done. And yeah, but and don't think that it is not for you, because there is something for everyone. There is food photography, blog writing, and yeah, when you prepare for the exam, that in mind. And just do your best. Be patient. There is plenty of time. You are not going to cut short of time. So yeah, do it that way. Just stay calm.
That's great advice. So, any last word which you'd like to add?
So what you can do is just read newspapers back of for 2, 3, 4 months, and try reading some travel blogs. That's it.
Okay. Thanks a lot for your time, Nandini, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. And thank you for watching, guys. Keep watching Univerge. Please subscribe to our channel and like, share, and comment on our videos. We will keep coming up with such content for you. Thank you.